So today's strategy is different from the previous video, and this strategy is easier to use than the previous strategy. And we have added some points in this, due to which the chances of winning have increased. Last time we added two indicators which were Donchian channel and CCI indicator. And this time we have added two moving averages inside the Keltner channel. This strategy is also amazing. After understanding this strategy, you will be able to trade many times better than before. And your income level will also increase. So watch this video carefully and try to understand the strategy. So first let us discuss the settings of the strategy. This will let you know what things are required to use the strategy. So first of all you have to set the timing of the candle to 1 minute. This is a good time frame to win the trade, and then the trade timing has to be set for 5 minutes. After that you have to add 3 indicators. The first indicator is Keltner channel. And by clicking twice on the moving average option, 2 moving average lines have to be added, as you would be able to see on the screen. Now the settings of Keltner channel have to be set in this way, like typing 2 in multiplier. And the background color I have chosen is pink, and this is complete Keltner channel settings. After that, in the settings of the first moving average line, the period has to be set to 5 numbers. And its color has to be kept white. And the settings of the second moving average line have to be set in this way. For example, 10 sets have to be done in this period. And I have chosen the color of this line as green. So we have added these 3 indicators. And their settings are set this way. Now we will see how to take trades on these indicators. So here is a good chart to place an entry. Here we can think about taking entry in the downward direction, because the market has been moving on the upper line of the Keltner channel for a long time. This means that a strong uptrend was going on, but now it seems to be preparing to go down. But when these 2 moving average lines cross each other in the downward direction, then it will be confirmed that the market will now go down. What I mean is that after this white line crosses the green line in the downward direction, we will place a trade in the downtrend. Till then we will wait. So here the white line has crossed the green line in the downward direction, or you can also say that both the lines are crossing each other and going in a downward direction. And after a good cross, I have placed an entry here which is a 5 minutes. If you want to boost your income by joining us, so this is the right opportunity. Go to the description now and click on the free signal link now. And join us. Many traders have joined here and are earning profit every week, so don't miss this opportunity to boost your income. Join free signal now. You should join free signals because there is a difference between your trading and free signals, like the entire chart is analyzed before providing the signal. After that, which indicator performs better today is analyzed. After that, all the trades that are to be provided today are also managed, like after how many wins one has to stop, and what to do if losses start happening. After that, attention is also given to money management. And only some of you traders may be able to do all this, therefore, free signal can be a good platform for you to earn income. And here our entry has successfully won. Now we move towards the next entry. So there's a support zone here. So here we have got 2 confirmations, as if the market is going to move upwards taking support here. You can see the candle here, a wick is made at the bottom, and above is the body of the candle, meaning buyers are becoming more active. And the second confirmation is that the market was moving on the lower line of the Keltner channel for quite some time, meaning a strong downtrend was going on. Now the market is moving sideways. Now we will wait for the white line to cross the green line in an upward direction. After crossing we will enter the market. You can see that even after getting 2 confirmations, the market has come down instead of going up. Therefore, you should wait until the 2 lines of the moving average cross. So here the cross has happened in the upward direction. And after the cross, I placed an entry in the upward direction. This strategy also works much better. To use it you just have to pay attention to a few things. And we see all this while taking entry, therefore it is important for you to understand each entry. You can learn something new in every entry. And our entry here has won. This time the market came a little close to the entry in the last few seconds. But our entry has successfully won. So this entry is very different from the first two entries. Now the right place to take entry was here, but I have taken entry at this place. Let me tell you the reason for this in detail. Here the market came above the lower line of the Keltner channel, and then here the market was moving sideways for some time. And then he has breakout this trend. This means it is going to go higher, and the moving averages have again crossed each other in the upward direction. That's why I have placed a double entry here. Now let's see how much the market goes up. If you have been trading for a few months, you can place an entry using this method, but for this you should also analyze in the manner mentioned in this entry, and your entry may also need further analysis, so try to do complete analysis while taking entry. And just like we analyzed the market went up and our entry also won. But sometimes I had to see such a situation also, like even after doing all the analysis the market will move against our entry, but this happens sometimes, doesn't happen every time. Still, you should follow your money management accordingly. So here also we can place trade. This is a very good chart. All the confirmations are available here. Now let me tell you from which angle I saw the confirmation for taking entry, as the market moved down for some time on the lower line of the Keltner channel, and then after taking support here, it started going up again. And both the lines of the moving average are crossing each other in the upward direction. So this is the right chart to take entry. Till this trade wins, I would like to tell you that whenever you learn a new strategy, then while using it, always use it with small amount of trade only. No matter how much capital you have, because only small trades are helpful in creating an increased capital. You can never keep your capital safe with big trades, and this is a real thing. And here our entry has won. Here the trade time is 5 minutes and the candle is of 1 minute, so after taking the trade, 5 candles are formed. Therefore the chances of winning the entry increase. So here is a good chart to place an entry on the downside. Because the market has touched the upper channel of the Keltner channel, and both the moving averages are also crossing in the downward direction. So when these two lines cross each other clearly, we will immediately place an entry. So after the cross here, I have placed an entry in the downside direction. And this entry has won. But this entry came in risk in the last few seconds. While entering here, we found the entry a little below. Because of this has happened. So here the market had broken this support, and now he has taken support here, and along with this he has also fulfilled our two confirmations, as it has also touched the bottom line of Keltner channel well. And both the moving averages are also crossing each other in the upward direction, so this is a good opportunity to place an entry. Like I told you earlier, even after doing a lot of analysis, some entries go against our analysis, and our trade loses. Similarly, some entries are easily available, they don't even have to be analyzed much. Just by looking at the chart you can immediately know whether an entry will win or not. This is the benefit of the experience gained through trading. And our entry here has won. If you practice this strategy for a few days, You will gradually come to know everything about this strategy. And you will learn to use it in a better way. And if you want to use it in a real account, then use it with a small amount and see whether this strategy suits you or not. If you do not like this strategy, then you can use another strategy. Many strategies are explained with strong explanations on my channel.